Hello guys, welcome back. Ohayo gozaimasu. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Super Microcomputer, ticker SMCI, trading on the Nasdaq. I want to give you here an updated chart analysis and of course explain you all the price levels which I expect this ticker here to hit in the next days and weeks. This is of course guys not financial advice. This is my opinion here based on the chart. Yeah, guys, it's a very good week. To be honest, the last couple of weeks have been very good. The market is ripping, guys. We have here many squeezes in the market. If you're new to this channel, guys, welcome. The main purpose is, of course, to educate you in trading. Usually I do that here by showing short squeeze stocks, and of course I try to check if we have here a short squeeze situation for SMCI as well. So let's start here with the technicals. And that's very simple, guys. The chart for SMCI is not difficult to read. I show you here all the price targets, but I mentioned that the market is ripping and you should also take your opportunities to catch here some squeezes. We have here every Sunday, guys, some videos here on my channel which I release are called the hot stocks. And when I release these videos here every Sunday, that means that the tickers in these videos have high squeeze potential and I expect them to squeeze in the very next few days. There is never a guarantee. I could be wrong, but this week, guys, is completely nuts because we have here this small squeeze of just 290%. One of my here October hot stocks, so just from Sunday, guys. Yeah, this is everything here from the last hot stock video. This ticker ripped 290% and we are now here in the position to trade the post squeeze, and this one here, guys, went completely parabolic. This is here a very nice squeeze. We have a 854% squeeze one day after my video release, and this ticker is still squeezing, guys. Absolute crazy. Yeah, I had already one very big squeeze in September. Of course, I have here a lot of hot stock squeezes, but the biggest one in September was 1400%. Let's see if we can manage it to get even a bigger squeeze in October or November, guys. If you don't know my hot stock videos or my trading community, guys, we have here the full package membership on Patreon. This is the most popular membership which I have every day. People joining in, guys. We're growing here bigger, stronger, better, faster. So it's very amazing to see how many people joining in here. So if you also want to be a part of this trading community, you can check out, guys, when you click this info icon here in the corner, then you get access to the member link here for Patreon. And very important, if you join in before November 1st, you will save 30% because starting November 1st, Patreon, not me, Patreon will increase the membership fees by 30%. If you join in now and don't quit, you never have to pay this additional 30%, guys. Yeah, click the info icon here if you want to join in. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader. Everybody is welcome, guys. So SMCI, where we are, guys, we have here a good information and the bad information which I want to share with you. Good information is we have here a very reliable trading algo pattern for SMCI. What does that mean, guys? Since we had here this $122 all-time high split adjusted, of course, we had here a 10-to-1 stock split. That's why you see here the all-time high at $122. You can see that we follow up this descending trend channel pattern here. So every time when we hit the top of this trend channel pattern, we see a sell-off reaction. Every time when we hit the bottom, we see a buying reaction, guys. This is not a financial advice. This is what the chart is telling us. But the problem is the last time that we hit the top of the trend channel was here in July 2024. And then here we had 1, 2, 3 touch points at the bottom here without any big squeezes. So when I talk about big squeezes, to give you a feeling, yes, we have here a price run from 35%, but this is Mickey Mouse compared to what other tickers can do. And the problem is that this is resulted here by the bigger float which we have right now here after the stock split. Yeah, the actual float from SMCI is about 430 million, I believe, and it is not a super big float, but the bigger the float gets, guys, the lower the volatility here. And so we have to check where is the point where the buyers or the algo snap in to buy the dip and to create something like that we can talk here about a squeeze of maybe 100% or more. So the liquidity range or the volatility range here of this trend channel, when we would see here a touch point and a squeeze right now is about 110%, so a squeeze chance for SMCI is absolutely on the table, but we have to check now the technicals what we do have here. And based on the RSI, guys, yeah, I identified this algo trend line pattern here on the RSI, where we have here a successful breakout with a retest. So very interesting to see what happens now here in the next couple of days, if we can retest here back the top of this trend channel or not. When we zoom in, then we see that we here now compressed between these EMA lines here. So these two EMA lines try to support the price, and the purple EMA line is a strong resistance. Many stocks, guys, have problems as soon as they trade below the purple EMA line to get back to support here. You can see, yes, SMCI can go above the purple EMA line, but not for longer than a few days before we get rejected here over and over again. And this is where we are, guys. And if you didn't see my previous videos here on this ticker, I'm very honest with you guys. Yeah, I'm not here to scare you, and I'm not here to hype you up. I give you my honest prediction based on the chart. That means every time when we hit here the bottom of the trend channel, or even have a fake out below this trend channel here, yeah, the actual bottom today, if we see here a straight line today, would be $34. This is, in my opinion, a good buying opportunity for a swing trade. Yeah, I don't talk here about a long term for the next years, just for a swing trade for the next couple of trading days. But for now, and this is what I say since a couple of weeks for SMCI, I expect the price to come down here back in this green box, guys. Yeah, between $33.80 and $23 is my personal buying liquidity zone, what I'm waiting for this shakeout here. Why? Because we have also two open gaps. You can see the orange lines here, $33.40, $27.56 are two open gaps. We have, of course, a lot of more open gaps to the downside to close, but we also have open gaps to the upside. So the squeeze potential is not only here back in the $70, $60, $70 range. We can, of course, even squeeze back here to $86, but therefore we have to leave this descending trend channel, guys. As long as the price is trending here, trading in this descending trend channel, that means, guys, we are still in a downtrend, or aka in an accumulation trend, yeah, descending trend here, because we cannot talk about a downtrend for SMCI, because when we zoom out, then you can see the all-time low, is here in the 85-cent range. So we are in a very strong uptrend, but we have also a lot of open gaps to the downside, and that's why I personally believe the accumulation range, which we can clearly see here. Here was gap up accumulation, and here was the last significant gap up with an accumulation before this ticker went completely parabolic here with this move. And that's why I strongly believe here the algos are waiting. That doesn't matter if a stock is doing a split or not, the algos never change, and they're waiting here in this blue box, in my opinion. Yeah, this is what I think. And if we don't close these open gaps before, guys, if we don't hit the top of this trend channel line here in the next days, that would be awesome, perfect. The absolute picture perfect situation is that we come down here, start to close these gaps, and then we can see here a massive rip to the upside. And when we just see potentially what could happen here, let's measure it from this gap here, then we talk here about a rip of 150%, 130%, depending, of course, on the time and date for SMCI. That's why I'm honest with you guys. For me personally, I'm still bullish here for this ticker, not buying today and just holding this for a few years. I'm waiting here for the perfect dip. That's why I release my videos already now. Be very aware here of the bottom of the trend channel, because this is a very responsive zone, and this is my personal trading strategy here for SMCI and not financial advice. Guys, if you want to copy the price levels here, especially this liquidity zone, let's zoom out here a little bit, very important, and I switch off the indicators that you can just focus here. Between $23 and $33 is the price range where I expect something to happen, of course, depending on where we hit also the trend channel bottom again. If we're trading below that, it's even better, and the price goes to the upside, which I expect are here in the $70 to $75 range, and we have, of course, this open gap here at $85 in the long term, but therefore we need to break out here out of this trend channel, guys. This is what I can tell you here based on the chart. Yeah, if you want to copy that, everything what you see here is based on the program called TradingView. I use TradingView for all my videos, guys, and for all my personal trades since many, many years, and I'm very satisfied with that. That's why I can recommend TradingView to you. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, but if you also want to get an advantage, you can use my discount link available here in the video description. When you click here on the info icon, you can access this discount link, and if you use my link, you save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, if this was helpful for you, if you don't want to miss any updates on SMCI or my other short squeeze stocks, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank. Ja, alles Gute mit SMCI und den anderen Stocks und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.